We are here at the airport to go in. Hey baby, are you ready for the plane ride?
Nope.
Really no. We almost lost the Oh, they got booster juice now. Oh, look at it. They never used to have booster juice before. Oh boy. Guys, guess where I'm at the airport? We have finally reached. We've checked in. We are just currently just sitting, waiting on a ride. Well, waiting on the plane, not a ride. And yeah, I'm just downloading some stuff on my laptop so we have some movies to watch on the plane. And we are just waiting to board.
This is the final boarding call for WestJet Flight 435 to Edmonton. All guests on this flight need to be at Gate B4 for immediate boarding.
And so this is my vacation here that I had told you guys about. I did this last night. So I will show you guys a better view of it later on. And yeah, and I'll also link their company in the description below as well, so you guys can check them out. Affordable deep wave hair for vacation. And no, I didn't do a makeup look for this.
All guests on this flight.
Are you ready? This is your second plane ride. Hello, sir, over there. Yes, I am so ready to go. What's with that face?
Everything? No.
And we are boarding the plane. Well, because everybody didn't put down them bags and stuff to get in.
And tight across your hips. To fasten, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top of the buckle. There are a total of 8 emergency exits. There are 4 window exits located mid-cabin over the wings, 2 door exits located here at the front.
ladies and gentlemen, kindly strap seatbelts on all for your continued safety as well as the people
Almost
in
there,
and
baby.
around you. Please remain
Touchdown.
seated with your seatbelt.
Home sweet home. I'll be okay. Oh, look at these beautiful paintings on the wall after. Ow! Hey, handsome. What? I'm hungry, I see it. You and me both. I'm hungry and I need to use the bathroom ASAP. Another thing now to go get into that line and then get through costume and then go to the other platform. Look at the beautiful art painting. Hubby, hold on. Oh, sorry. That's pretty. Oh, I'll put on my fire now. Right.
Because you have the Jamaican passport. I don't have mine. Well, I have mine.
Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, they even changed out in here too. It's how it's different now.
Welcome. Get your Jamaican dollars here.
They really changed out in here. Okay, so we gotta look where our baggage is. I assume it's probably that one. Pro 5. So number 4. So this one where everybody is. Yeah. Okay, our bags are probably like hanging out somewhere. There. This one here. Yes. Is he on yet? You'll take it off? Oh my. So take the stuff off here and I guess put the bag down. Which? Home sweet home. Oh gosh. I'm home, baby, I'm home. The tag's missing. Or at least the tag's still in this one. Yeah, them disgusting. They could have handled the stuff them a whole lot better. Smile, Mr. Williams. You're home. You are home. It is hot, 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 hot. Jamaica, Jamaica.
They put a fancy one. For several months, but then over here and then that's when we realized cut it off immediately. Yeah, but these were roaming charges from far from places.
Just reach and open and welcome to my home. We just came, guys, and I'm home. I am so happy to be home, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. It'll be a new day and a new vlog. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.